How are you? Good. Say, how about you and me take some time to prepare for our public ministry? Does that sound like a good plan?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we've done this a few times before, but you know what? On our Kingdom Ministry on the front page, it makes it real simple and real easy for us. I see you have yours. So that subheading there, how to do it, and there's a few bullets. That first one, it talks about help the new publisher, and that would be you, obtain the publications he or she will need for preaching and teaching. Now we're going to use the magazines, and where would we find that? Where would we obtain that?
On the back counter of our Kingdom Hall.
Okay, very good. Yeah. So now you know where it's at, where to get it. And then it talks about organizing your witness case or your book bag. What are some things we can do to organize that?
Well, to put our Bible and whenever we were handing out, easiest to get.
Okay, make it accessible. Yep, so it's not kind of awkward at the door. Very good. So the next one, the second one there, it says, together, you and me should select a sample presentation on the back of our Kingdom Ministry and practice it. So let's do that. Let's flip over to the back. Now there, between the Watchtower and Awake, what did you choose?
The Awake.
The Awake, okay. So why don't you just go ahead and read through that? You can mention the scripture. We won't read that this time, but just do kind of a run through.
Okay. Most people agree that we need money in order to live. But do you think it is dangerous to be obsessed with money? Notice the Bible's warning at 1 Timothy 6:9. This magazine explains how we can develop a balanced view of money.
Okay, good job. So now you want to practice it again and put it into your own words, and it's nice to keep it simple, keep it in steps. So if you kind of x-ray this presentation or analyze it, there's 3 steps, right? And we kind of underline that. So the first one is a question, and the second one is a scripture, and then what was the third one?
Conclusion.
Conclusion. Okay. So you think you're ready for it? You want to give it a try?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll be your host.
A lot of people agree that we need money in order to live, but do you think it is dangerous to be obsessed with money?
Dangerous? Boy, that's a pretty harsh word. I suppose if you maybe put it in the wrong priority, put it in place of other responsibilities, I suppose it could be dangerous.
But notice what I was warning at 1 Timothy 6:9, and it says, but those who are determined to be rich fall into temptation and a snare, and many senseless and harmful desires that plunge men into destruction and ruin. So it can lead men into ruin.
Good job. I liked how you explained that. That's what we're supposed to do, aren't we? So very nice. So you practice it. The more you do that, the more proficient or better you're going to get at it. So keep up the good work with that. And I think we are, oh, it mentions at the end of the bullet to be modest in our dress and grooming. And Jehovah's a God of order. We wouldn't want to do, as 2 Corinthians says, do anything that would stumble anybody in our ministry. So we just want to be aware of our dress and grooming and our book bag, like we mentioned earlier. So I think you're ready, and I look forward to working with you.